If you've always wanted to travel around the world but didn't know where to begin with or how to make it cheaper, faster and safer, welcome to my tips and tricks section. Here I'm gonna share some tips and life hacks and tricks to a fruitful journey. Please bear in mind that I'm what you might call a lone traveler, except for some cases where I travel with my family. I'm a backpacker mostly.
And I'm currently living in Russia, so some advice might be perhaps irrelevant to you.
Still, I hope it might be of some use one way or another. So without further ado, let's get started. Here is my top of web pages and sometimes apps which might help you loads if you ever decide to go and explore Portugal. First of all, flying. If you want to explore Portugal by flying, particularly if you intend to go to the Isles, you should look into SATA, S-A-T-A, and Air Portugal. Those are two primary web pages and two primary apps, by the way, which will offer you comfortable and fast travel all around the country. I was actually looking into Air Portugal when I was considering whether to fly from Lisbon to Faro or not, but you know, I'm not really fond of planes, so I try not to fly if I have an opportunity. But for those of you who would like to go to Madeira or to the Azores, these two airlines are cream of the crop, best of the best.
EasyJet also flies there, so if you want to feel tad uncomfortable for about 2 hours and a half, be my guest.
If you wish to explore the mainland Portugal, however, one of the best options is to travel by train. And for this, you should go to Comboios de Portugal or download the CP Comboios de Portugal app. It is a local railways service, and they are wonderful because they offer lots and lots of discounts, fares for students, teenagers, elders, big groups of tourists. They offer lots of discounts for people who buy tickets in advance. Those tickets might not be refundable, but they are very, very cheap, like in 65% of the cost might be saved if you buy those tickets. I was traveling actually by train when going from Lisbon to Faro. That was my option instead of flying, and I loved it. It wasn't particularly, you know, nothing grand. It was second class, but it was fast, it was cheap, and it was comfort. And now to my most favorite means of transportation, which is of course buses. The problem with Portugal is that most of the cities are too small for them to have any sort of railway connection, whereas the Busnet, local Busnet, is so great and diverse that you can travel almost anywhere. It is a bonus that all of these intercity buses have air conditioning systems, plugs and Wi-Fi. You might notice that if you go to the Red Expresses website, you'll see that there are buses like Renex and Eva and City Express. Those are like local bus nets, but they are all under the same Red Expresses banner. Actually, last year when I was buying tickets, the website was less customer friendly. I looked it up today, and it's much more convenient, and it's much easier to find anything and buy tickets or look up the timetable. If you do not like it, if you want, for example, to be translated in other languages, you can of course go to aggregator apps and aggregate websites like GoEuro or trainline.eu, but I'd recommend strongly to buy all the tickets via the Red Expressos official app or via their website, because they also have lots of discounts. They have like special Red Expressos card for tourists. They have different prices for different age groups. and for different traveling categories. So it's amazing. I visited about, I think, 11 cities in 7 or 8 days. It cost me around 150 euros.
Mind the exchange rates of October 2017.
And those were some of my biggest expenses in the country as a whole. I think now that they've expanded their programs for people visiting the country, it might be even cheaper for you, but you should better look it up for yourself. That's it, basically. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope if you ever decide to go to Portugal and enjoy the beauties of this wonderful country, you'll use these small tips in order to make your trip all the more enjoyable and unforgettable. Thank you guys for watching. Give thumbs up to this video if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get all of the notifications. There are gonna be more videos of that sort if you want to. Personally, I love sharing my tips. I think some of them might be helpful for you, so write in the comment section below what you think about it all. And I'm gonna see you around. Bye bye. See you soon. Saranghae.